Good morning. Bento, say good morning. Good morning. Okay, he's excited about today. Okay, today is Saturday. I never know the dates anymore. I wanted to start off. I've been putting this off and I want to do it. So, how should I start this? So I wanted to take a sort of blood test to see how sensitive to certain foods I am. Did that make sense? So, Everlywell, that's the brand that I bought this from. They send you a little like blood test thing and you prick your finger and you put your blood on the thing and then you ship it to them. And there's like 92 foods on the list. And they show you how sensitive, from like not sensitive to like mild to like you shouldn't be eating that kind of sensitivity test. I just wanted to do it for fun. And I don't know, I just wanted to know like certain foods, like maybe I am sensitive to a lot of foods. So this is what it looks like. I'm kind of nervous. Bento, I'm scared, to be honest. I got my blood work done like a few years ago, but that was like for like my B12, vitamin D, stuff like that. So they give you instructions. Okay. So I think it says to watch the video. I don't have time for that. Prep your space. We got that. Number 3, fill out card. Probably should do that. Alcohol pad, a Band-Aid. Thank you guys. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm freaking out already. Oh, I don't think I can do this. I don't think I can do this. This is getting serious now. Okay, first it says to warm your hands. So I'm going to do that. 1 second. Okay, I just ran my hands under hot water. Oh my gosh, this is getting serious. I am so scared, guys. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, choose a finger. Bento, I'll choose this finger. Find a spot on the right or left side of your ring finger. Clean the area with the alcohol wipe. Then press it down on your finger to puncture the skin. Bento, what am I getting myself into? Oh, so they give you 2 just in case you can't get any blood out. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. I don't think I could do this. Oh my gosh, okay. And then I'm gonna put the blood on each of these circles. So that's a lot of blood. That's a lot of blood. Oh my gosh, I don't think I can do this. Oh my gosh, I can't do this. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, I really can't do this. Oh my gosh, I can't do this at all. I don't think I can do this. I don't think I can do this, guys. Stop. Bento. Oh my gosh, I really can't. I don't think it worked. No, oh my gosh, I'm crying right now. There's no way. I don't even feel anything right now. This is so scary. Nothing's working. It's not working. I don't think it's working. I don't think I'm doing this right. Ah! Oh my gosh. Sorry, Bento. How are they getting so much blood? Oh my gosh, this is just, oh, that kind of hurt. Bento. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to use the other one. Oh my gosh, there's not enough blood for this. There's not enough blood. Oh my gosh, this is disgusting. This is so gross. I can't, oh my god, I'm gonna pass out. Oh my gosh, Caitlin, help me. Who thought of this? Oh my god. I only did the first one, guys. This is so sad. Come on. Oh my gosh, I'm on the second circle. There's 3 more, Bento. There's no, oh my gosh, this is the worst. What if like I used the wrong finger? Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm almost done. There's blood still coming out of me, that's for sure. Okay, I think that's the best I can do. That's enough. Okay, apply Band-Aid. You did it. Okay, thank you. Oh my gosh. I did it, guys. I did it. feel like I'm gonna pass out. No, I'm kidding. Wow, okay, whew, that is over with. I'm gonna go work out now. Hopefully I don't pass out. No, I'm good. I'm good. I should be good, guys. Yeah, you know. Well, that was a way to start this video, but today we are working out and I am going to show you a new recipe. So excited to show you guys. And yeah, it's a anabolic protein pancake recipe. So I can't wait to try it because I've been making with ingredients. I've been making it with my protein bread, so I wanted to make a pancake version of it. So I'll be trying it today. So yeah, I'm excited to do that. But yeah, hope you guys like this video so far. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos to come. And yeah, I'll tune in later. I'm headed to the gym right now and trying to get in a good workout today. I took yesterday off from the gym, so I'm gonna go pretty hard today. So I'll take you along, show you what I'm doing. And today's kind of not planned. I'm kind of, because usually Saturdays is an upper body, but because I missed like my glute workout yesterday, I think I might do a full body workout today. So I'm definitely gonna be sore. Doing it for the gain. Okay, I'll tune in later. Okay, I am starving. So today we are going to, Today we're going to make my protein pancake recipe, but we're gonna switch up the ingredients just a little bit. And these are Anabolic lemon poppy seed protein pancakes. If you don't know what an anabolic recipe is, basically it's kind of like a lot of my recipes that I've been doing, but I guess that's a name. I didn't know what it was called, but it's like a high protein, low calorie recipe. So this is gonna be my first anabolic protein pancake recipe that I'll be posting. So I'm starving. I am going to start making this because I want to eat right now. Like, I am so hungry right now. So let's get started. First, I'll grab a bowl, and I'm using, for the pancake batter, we're gonna use a scoop of the 1UP Nutrition, the vegan protein powder. I like using this protein because it kind of has like the taste of like pancake batter. So I love using this for protein pancakes. Add a scoop. Should probably grab the ingredients. We're gonna add 1/3 cup of egg whites. We're gonna add 3 packets of stevia, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and we're gonna mix it. Now we're going to add, where's my lemon? We're gonna add some lemon juice to this. We're going to add 1/2 of a lemon. We're gonna save the other 1/2 for the protein frosting that we're gonna add on top to this. Then we're gonna add a 1/2 teaspoon of poppy seeds. And then now we're going to add a little bit of water until it's like a batter consistency. So just a little, and then mix, and then add more water as you go. So this is what it should look like. This is a pretty good consistency. We're going to turn this stovetop on and we're gonna cook them. Okay, I'm gonna go like on low high because this gets pretty hot and I don't wanna burn them. As the stovetop is warming up, we're gonna make our protein frosting for the top. So I'm gonna use a scoop of the Quest vanilla protein powder. So we're gonna do 1/2 of the scoop, and I'm just gonna add it to this small bowl. So 1/2 of the scoop of the protein powder. And then we're going to add the second lemon. It's gonna take a spoon. We're gonna mix it. So it's gonna be like really dry. So we're going to add a tiny bit of water. And then we'll just keep on mixing it until it's like a frosting consistency. A little water at a time, because a little goes a long way. Ooh, see? Oh my gosh. Okay, that's like perfect. And it's like thick. Yep, that's good. Okay, we're gonna set this to the side. This looks so good. You can also add sugar-free syrup on top, but I like the protein frosting. Cheers! My gains are definitely being fed right now. Okay, I think I'm gonna wrap this video up. Be sure to like and subscribe for future videos, and please just look at these pancakes again. Okay, I'm gonna go eat, but tune in for next time. Peace. Oh gosh, Bento heard me eating. He's coming over. Bento, did you hear me eating? Do you want some pancakes? Do you want some pancakes? He said yes, please.